Hello, and welcome. Welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I have another disc from the PD collection, and it's funny because you see. Oh, hello, get in there. I wish I could press my reset button, but the 64 doesn't have. 53280, 53281, 0, change the cursor color. And up we come. Anyway, this is another public domain disc. And it's funny because I know, see, this all thinks it has .c and .this and .that. That's all TPUG stuff. We came up with that people would know what's what. So I think I'm going to load the first program on the disc called Blackjack. It is for the 64 because it ends in a D. 13 pegs.d. I don't know. I don't remember what the D meant. Anyway, all kinds of fun can be found in the public domain. Blackjack, Commodore 1970, rewritten for the VIC 64 by David Matkin, Seattle, 1982. When placing bets, enter the amount and hit return. To repeat the same bet, hit space. To start, hit space. All right, we are shuffling. Your bet. I will bet 100. Do you want to hit? No. I won. I have 19. Okay, good. I won. Winning 100. I will bet 100. Oh, I think I will hold tight. Yes, I won 150 on that. I will bet 100. I have 6. Do you want to hit? Yes. I have 7 or 17. Do I want to hit? No. Oh, dealer wins. I lost. Okay, I have 17. Do you want to hit? Nope. Dealer has 11. Dealer has 17. It's a push. We tie. Nothing happens. I will bet 100. Do you want to split? No. Do you want to hit? No. Ah, dealer has 20. We pushed. Weenie. Weasel. 100. Do you want to hit? Nope. 15, 21. Oh. I'm losing. I will bet $1,000. I have 9. Do you want to hit? Yes. I have 14. Do you want to hit? I'm going over. Yes. I have 19. No. We pushed. All that's agony. 1,000. The cards are being shuffled. Do you want to hit? No. Dealer's 18. I won. I have $1,050. Oh, I guess I should. You know what? We'll bet it all. We'll go big or go home. Yeah, and watch this. I'm going to go over. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, so I'm at nothing. Hey, how do I quit? All right, fine. 10,000. You want to hit? No. Okay, there. I won 10,000. Why can't I quit? Oh. You want to hit? No. Oh, now I'm up 20,000. I have 3 or 13. Do you want to hit? Yes. I have 9 or 19. Do I want to hit? No. Ooh, I'm on a roll. I'm up 30,000. I will bet again. Do you want to hit? Yes. Do you want to hit? Yes, I'm going over. No. Dealer has 18. I lost. Okay. No. Dealer busted. Yay, I'm at 30,000 again. Shuffling. I wish this, you know what? Sound would be great on a game like this. I'm going to hit and bust. Nope. I got 18. I had 16. He had 7 showing. No. 17. That saved the game. The idea, of course, behind blackjack is to get 21. So, when I have 12, and he has 4, means the most he could have is 15. I'm going to say hit. It's going to be a 10. I'm going to lose. Boom, boom, ba-doom. Dealer didn't even have to take a card, but anyway, they did. I'll bet another 10,000. I have 13. I have 3 showing. You know what? No, I'm not going to take a card. Dealer has 21. 6, 3, 4, 3, 5. Who would have thunk it? All right. I have 8 or 18. Do I want a card? No. Dealer wins. Okay. My last bet. I'm down to like nothing. I have 14. Yes, I want to hit. Yes, I will bust. No, I got 18. I will say no. Dealer wins. All right. And yes, another basic program. Whee! It does go on for a while. Okay, let's have a look here. We will load the directory. Sitting duck. You know what? As we're on a blackjack thing, there's another one here called blackjack.z. And I believe that buying it, being that it is blackjack.z, that means it's supposed to work on any machine. Like the Z means could be anything. Could be a pet. Could be a 64. I guess with enough memory, maybe a big 20. We'll see if it's all mashed over onto one side. But that I seem to remember. I remember the hours we spent deciding on letters. Okay, what do we got here? Don't tell me it's the same game. Blackjack. Do you want information? Yes, I do. The rules differ among casinos. The following are the most popular. You can go for down for double with any number. You can split any pair. You can only split once. You cannot go down. For double split. Double on the split or blackjack. A dealer must hit 16, stand 17. Blackjack plays 1.5 to 1. Card counting works. At the end of a hand, if the dealer has less than 18 cards left, the deck will be shuffled. You may watch a hand by pressing 0. Let's press space. If you win $5,000, you have broke the table, and the table will close. Maximum bet is 200. Minimum is 100. For ease of playing, you can repeat a previous bet by hitting return. Otherwise, enter the amount you wish. If the dealer has an ace up, you may buy insurance against the dealer blackjack for half your bet. You have $1,000 to spend. Let's start. Press space. We are shuffling. Once again, sound would be good, but if this was supposed to run on most every machine, It won't. Okay, I'm going to bet 2. Oh, I guess the maximum was 200. I will bet 200. Oh, cute little cards. Do you want a card? I have 20. I have 19. No, I don't want a card. I don't understand. Do you want a card? Oh, hold. Press a key for second. Press key for second hand. You're 20. What's going on here? Do you want a card? Hold. Dealer has 22. You have 1400. Oh, I think I split. I didn't realize I did that. Anyway, I won. I won on both. I got now 1400. Okay, so the dealer has an ace. Do I want insurance? Yes, yes, I will. Oh. They did not have a blackjack. Do I want to hold? No. Do I want a card? I'll hit a spacebar. I lose. I'll bet 200. Okay, I have a blackjack. Woo! I have a 6 and a 3. I have a jack showing. I will go for 16. I'm going to do again. I lose. 200. I have 16 showing. Do I want a card? Hold. Dealer has 20. I'm losing again. I will go for a card. I have 14. I will go for a card. I have more. 17. I gotta hold. I have 20. I lose. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. 200. Ooh, I will hold on 17. And they have lost. They went over. They busted with 25. Do you want one card for double? I don't remember that. No, I'm gonna hold. I have 18. Dealer has 22. I win. I have 18. I'm gonna hold. Dealer has 20. I lose. Do I want to split? No, I want to hold. Dealer has 26. He busted. Okay. I have 6 or 16. I'm going to do a double. Oh man, that didn't go well. What am I at? I've got 600 left. Do I want to hold? I'm going to double. I have 19. Dealer 17. Woohoo! I doubled my bet and I won. I have 10. I'm going to be daring. I'm going to double again. I have 16. I lost. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. 200. I have 18. I'm going to hold. We pushed. He is 18. Do I want to split? No. I want to hold on 20. It was 19. I won. Woohoo. I have 17. And I'm going to hold. 16 goes over. Scored a 23. Do I want to hold? Do I want to double? I'm going to be daring. I'm going to double. I lose. Okay. I have 13 showing. I'm going to double. I have 15. Dealer is 20. I lost. Down to 200. I'm going to double. I have 18. Dealer has 21. I lost. I have nothing. Sorry, you're broke. But if I wanted to play again, it's already put the thing up there where it would run 16. And it would do it all again. But I think I will not play again at this time. I will move quietly on, and perhaps next time I'll look at another disc. So thanks for coming. Hope you have a lovely, lovely day. Remember, all these programs are public domain, which means essentially they're free. But a lot of people used to sell them. And there is value in gathering things together. There is. Anyway, thanks for coming. Bye for now.